So we're looking at speed, max, quant questions. Um, Start with the first sum. The simple interest of rupees 500 for 4 years together with that of rupees 800 for 2 years. The rate being the same in both the cases came to rupees 324. What is the rate of interest? Normally in most of these sums, if you do it orally, it helps to be faster. So how do you solve it? Now when you say 500 for 4 years will be same as 500 into 4 multiply 500 into 4 is same as 2000 for 1 year. Same way when you say 800 for 2 years will be same as 1600 for 1 year. Okay, whatever you get interest of 500 for 4 years will get the same as 2000 for 1. Same out here. So that means total you're getting 3600 for 1 year. Now 3600 1 year is 324 rupees interest. If you look at it properly, 10% is 360. So this is 36 less, right? To go to 324, it is 36 less or 1% less. So you can make out it's 9%. Or 3600 into 9% is 324. So automatically you get the answer A option. Right? So 500 4 years is 2000, 800 2 years is 1600. From there you can combine and easily do it orally. A and B can do a work in 60 days. B and C can do the work in 30 days. And C and A can do the work in 30 days. So when you do LCM of these three is 60. So we assume 60 units of work, LCM method. Look at the LCM method. So that means when it's 60 days out here, so per day they will do 1 unit of work. 60 units of work to be done in 60 days. Same way B and C will be 2 units of work per day. C and A also will be 2 units of work per day. So together they will do 5 units of work per day. Together is twice A plus B plus C. So it means A plus B plus C put together is 2.5 units of work per day. So 2.5, that means number of days will be 60 upon 2.5, which will be, if you look at 24 days. So 24 days is the answer, B option. Same, A and B can do 90 days, B and C in 60 days, and C and A in 45 days. So again we do LCM. If you look at LCM will be 180. So which means A and B will do 2 units of work, B and C 3, and C and A 4. So total 9 by twice A plus B plus C. It means A plus B plus C can do work 4.5 units of work. So we know that A plus B plus C work for 15 days together. If you say A plus, or you can just keep A plus B plus C as 4.5. Now how much can A plus B do? Who left? A and C left. How much is A and C can do? A and C can do 4 units of work per day. If A and C can do 4 units of work per day, which means B can do the remaining 0.5 units of work per day. If B can do 0.5 units of work, so A and C have worked for 15 days. So AC work for 15 days. The amount of work done is 60 units of work. So how much is left? 180 minus 60, 90 units of work is done by B. Now B does 0.5 unit of work per day. So number of days taken by B will be 90 upon 0.5, which will be 180 days. That's the total amount of days, D option. Right? So twice A plus B plus C is 9. So A plus B plus C is 4.5. From which A and C put together does 4 units of work. So B alone 0.5. So AC has done 60 units of work, which means B has done the remaining 90 units. So 90 upon 0.5, which will be 180 days. Annual rate of interest increase from 5% or 9%, which means increase of 4%. And your annual increase by 236, which means 4% of principal is 236. So principal is how much? 236 upon 4% is what you can do. All right, you will get 5,900. Just divide 236 by 4. Or you can make out just less than 60. Just less than 60 will be 59, A option, 1500. Right? So 4% stands for 236 basically. So 100% stands for how much? This is one way. Or principal into 4% extra that you get is 236. So you get principal as 236 upon 4%. So either way you do, you should get 5900 as the answer. So we want numbers between 400 800. So 3-digit number First digit can be either 4, 5 or 6 because 8 cannot be, because the number will become more than 800. So this will be 3 ways. So one digit is gone. The second digit can be any of the remaining number digits, which is 5 ways. Okay. Third can be any of the remaining 4 ways. So 3 into 5 into 4, you will look at 60 ways. E option. Okay. First digit 3, second digit 5. I mean, one digit is gone. From the remaining 5, any can be second digit. Third digit can be 4 ways. Total 60 ways. That will be the answer. Thank you.